In today's video, I am going to teach you how to issue store credit Shopify. A simple and reliable way to give store credit in Shopify is by issuing a gift card to a specific customer. This works well for refunds, customer service resolutions, or goodwill credits, because the customer receives a code that can be used at checkout like a payment method. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to your Shopify admin and that the customer already exists in your customer list, so you can assign the credit correctly. Start by going to the Products area in your Shopify admin. From there, open Gift Cards. This is where Shopify keeps all gift card tools, including the option to create store credit for an individual customer. Once you are on the Gift Cards page, click Issue Gift Card. This opens the form where you will set the details for the store credit you are creating. Now enter the store credit amount. Take a moment to double-check the value before moving on, because this amount becomes the balance available on the gift card. It is a good habit to match this amount to the exact credit you intended to provide, especially if you are issuing credit as part of a return or adjustment. Next, search for the customer and select the correct person from the list. This step is important because it ties the gift card to that customer and ensures the code goes to the right place. If you have customers with similar names, verify you are selecting the correct record before continuing. After that, set an expiration date if you want one. This is optional. Adding an expiration date can be useful if your policy requires store credit to be used within a certain time frame. If you do not need a deadline, you can leave it without an expiration date to keep things simple for the customer. When everything looks correct, click Activate. Activating the gift card will email the gift card code to the customer so they can use it on their next purchase. After you activate it, you can keep a quick note for your own records about why the credit was issued and the amount, so your team has context later if the customer follows up. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.